Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language in the NaukriGulf app. The NaukriGulf app also users from different countries to use the app comfortably. Changing the language helps you to understand job details, settings, and options more easily. First, unlock your phone and open the NaukriGulf app and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, tap on the menu icon or your profile picture usually found on the top of the screen. After that, tap on settings. Look for the app settings. From here, you can change your language. You can see a list of available languages, or you can add the language. Choose the language you are comfortable with, such as English or Arabic. After selecting the language, tap apply automatic update. If needed, tap save or apply, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.